In this video, we have an exquisite selection of the 8 best apps that pay you real money fast. So, if you always wanted to make money from the comfort of your phone, then this is the video for you. I'm sure you will enjoy every second of it. Hey guys, I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, the place where you can find important and valuable information on how you can make money online. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and remember that you can find all the links to everything we mentioned in this video down below in the description. Now, back to business. Here are the apps that you can download today and start making money with just your phone. Starting our list, we have Rakuten, previously known as Ibotta. Wouldn't it be great to get paid for buying the things you want to buy? Well, this app will make you earn cashback on any purchases you make. It's a huge known app and it's 100% trustworthy. As you see here, it has over 54,000 reviews and it has a 4.2 star rating. So it has excellent reviews, guys. As it says here, you can enjoy deals, savings, coupons, promo codes, and amazing rewards on your online shopping the same as you did before. All you need to do is to sign up for a free account with Rakuten. One of the great things about this app is that when you sign up with Rakuten, you receive an instant $10 welcome bonus for free. But to claim that free $10 cash, you need to make a first-time purchase of $25 or more. And something that I really love about this app is that you can also get cashback on over 10,000 restaurants. You can go check it out as well as the other apps we are going to mention. We have the links to them in the description below this video, so just keep on watching this video so you can learn how to use them all exactly, and at the end then you can go to the description to find the links for each app, download them, create your accounts, and start making some money. On our number 7, we have Cash Pirate, yet another very popular app. This great app will pay you for completing different small tasks. If you enjoy playing games, completing surveys, or watching videos, Cash Pirate is a money-making app you may want to check out. You can choose which money-making options you like best and earn extra cash whenever you have the time. Here, you earn coins, and for every 1,000 coins, you get $1. You must earn at least 2,500 coins before you'll be able to cash out and send money to your PayPal account. Something very important that I want to point out is that the best that you can do is download all of these apps to get a good little bit of extra income by working with all of them together. Again guys, the links to each and every one of these apps are down in the description of this video. As you see here, Cash Pirate is a very popular app. It has over 90,000 reviews and it has a star rating of 4.4. So definitely check out this app to start making money performing different small tasks, anyone that you want to choose from. Now, on our number 6 spot, we have Slidejoy. Can you imagine that you can get free money by just using your phone the way you're doing now? Get paid just by locking your screen. Slidejoy is an app that pays you to place ads or news on your screen. It's one of the most simple ways to get paid, and you can even choose to see trending news tailored to your interests. Every time you unlock your phone, a small ad will play. You can just slide it away, and every time you do this, you will get paid. Basically, you will get paid for doing something that you already do. So, this is a really easy and fast way to earn a little extra income. With Slidejoy, you earn points. With your points, you can cash them out either as gift card or PayPal money. To get paid, you are not required to engage with the ads. So, it is your choice to either ignore the ad or to engage with the ad. On average, users of Slidejoy can make between 200 to 500 points, which is about 20 to 50 cents per day without having to actively unlock your phone to watch the ads. So you can expect to get paid up to $15 per month and $180 per year by simply installing this app on your phone. The only downside is that it only works with Android devices. It won't work with Apple. As you see here, this is a very popular app and it has over 98,000 reviews and a 3.9 star rating. So you can come check out this app and start making money as simple as it gets. Remember, the link to this app is also down below in the description of this video. For number 5, we have this great app called GetUp. If you drive your car a lot, then you must download this free money app called GetUp. GetUp pays cash for each gallon of gas you put in your car. This is up to 25 cents per gallon. This may not sound like a lot, but it definitely adds up, especially if you do a driving job. Getting paid is real simple. All you have to do is take a picture of your gas station receipt and send it through the app. The whole process takes seconds. You can then withdraw your earnings instantly with PayPal. So guys, if you spend a lot of money on gas, you definitely want to check this app out and start earning some money back. For number 4, we have Ibotta. Ibotta is an app that allows you to earn cashback for almost anything from an Uber ride to a hotel stay. Just shop at one of Ibotta's 290 supported retailers and take a photo of your receipt. Then upload the photo into the app and your cashback will be deposited into your Ibotta account within 48 hours. For each receipt, you'll receive a rebate that ranges from 25 cents to $3 or more. You will be able to get payment to your PayPal account after you've accumulated over $20. This app is really popular and it has over 447,000 reviews and it has a great 4.4 star rating. So go and download this app to add up and make a good side income. Remember, the link to this app and all of the other apps we've mentioned are down below in the description of this video. At number 3, we have Shockbox. There are a lot of different ways in which you can earn money with this app. Let's take a look. It says earn towards free gift cards by watching fun videos, shopping top e-commerce sites, answering surveys, exploring or discovering online deals, shopping local deals, and searching the web, among others. With the points earned performing easy tasks, you can either redeem them for gift cards to Amazon or Walmart or Starbucks or get free money on your PayPal account. For example, you can redeem a $5 Amazon gift card for only 500 points. To get a $25 free from PayPal, all you need is 2,500 points. It's a very popular app. It has over 41,000 reviews and check this out, it has a 4.2 star rating. Remember, the links to each and every one of these apps are down in the description of this video. Moving forward, we're now on number 2, which is the app called Dush. Dush is one of the best options you can get to make side income almost effortlessly. This app is on the Apple Store and on Google Play. It will give you cash back really easy. It's even easier than with the other apps. All you have to do is link all of your credit cards. So whenever you use any of those linked credit cards, you will get automatically cash back on all of the purchases you make on any businesses that are partners with Dush. Depending on the shop, you get different percentages of cash back from 3% to 10%. It's automatically added to your credit card. For example, if you buy something for $100 and that store has a 10% cash back, you will automatically be added back $10 to your credit card. Really great, right? This app is really well known and it has over 40,000 reviews with a great 4.5 star rating. Remember, you can find the link in the description. And finally, our number one app is Receipt Hawk. Receipt Hawk is extremely easy to use. You will get paid just for uploading pictures of your receipts. As it says here, Receipt Hawk is a fun and easy way to turn your everyday receipts into real cash and rewards. You will earn coins from making purchases on grocers or supermarkets, corner shops and convenience stores, pharmacies, cash and carries, health stores, bargain and discount shops, beauty suppliers, among many others. For users in the United States, a $10 receipt will earn 5 coins, while a $100 receipt will earn 20 coins. And for every 1,000 coins, you will get paid $5. Once you've earned at least 1,000 coins, you can redeem them for a payout. You'll have the option of choosing a payout via a gift card on Amazon, a MasterCard Visa e-gift code emailed to you, or a PayPal cash redemption. As you see here, it has over 108,000 reviews, guys. So this is a really famous app, and it has a great 4.4 star rating. Definitely a great app to go and check out. Now, as you may have noticed, you shouldn't expect to make lots of money with this. It's just a little offside income, just some extra dollars each day, but don't expect to get rich with any of these apps. So, I recommend, as I said before, the best that you can do is download all of these apps to add up a significant amount of extra income by working with all of them together. Remember, you can find all of the links to these apps in the description below this video. But if you want to learn how to make a full-time passive income online, check out our number one recommendation. It's the first link in the description underneath this video. You can go down there right now and click on the link to start making big money online. What I love the most about this method is that it works worldwide for absolutely anyone. It does not matter if you're a complete beginner, it will definitely work for you. No matter wherever you are located right now, it will work for you. Actually, the results you obtain only depend on the love and how much work you put into it. Remember, the link to this number one recommended way is right there in the description of this video. So guys, let us know which app you like the best, or if you're going to download them all, or leave us any questions you may have. Write your comments below. We love to read and respond to them all. With that being said, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.